Sige na, kuya. No. Please, hindi ka man naaawa sa kapatid mo. Binubuli. O kakang aso. Ay, ubus na ako ng idea. Ikaw naman pala eh. Even if you make a basketball, it's a no. Alam mo, may single akong friend. Morena, 5'4", masipag mag-aral, willing to date. No. May Kate na yan eh. Dude, what? Sige na, kuya. Ano bang gusto mo? You're doing that. Yo! Anong daw? Kumain ka si JC, oh. Nakakatakot magkausap kay kuya. Yan. Sige na, Clarissa. Tutulungan na lang kita. Ay, sige, ikaw din. Walang bawian, ha? So, it's a deal? Deal.
He texted me. What did he say? He said, hey. What was it like? Hey? Or like, hey? I think it's like, hey. Just text him back. Just text him back. It's not worth waiting. Okay, but like, what do I say back? Like, do I say hey? I would definitely go hi. Because you don't want to repeat what he said. Great point. I could say hello. Right, but hello is way too formal.
You're right. I should ignore him. Perfect! She left me in red. Okay lang yun. Matagal siyang typing. Ibig sabihin, nag-iisip siya ng i-reply sa'yo. Nagpapakipot lang yan. What now? Second stage na tayo. What? Wait. Do you have a whole plan for this? Yes! Operation Mahulog ang product ads kay JC at hindi mo sila i-like back plan. Shorter name to be followed. You're acting like high schoolers. Duh! We are!